Who is admire people to you? I will answer that Lindsay teacher. She teaches English in Cheongdam, so I can know her. I admire Lindsay teacher because she gives me a chance to do my presentation. Also, she always say hello to me. The first time she teach me, I didn't answer correctly and I don't announce many times, but she give me a lot of chance so I can announce and divide my opinion, so I can level up to another level. In this situation, I think she is kind and friendly, so I once became like Lindsay teacher. In addition, when she offers to people to divide their idea, I always think she is cool and come to be proud of her. Lastly, she is fun. In time to study English, she has fun roles in her class. For example, when we get high scores, she gives us to put some stickers and she gives us fun project many times too. So I am excited to meet her in Cheongdam. In conclusion, I admire Lindsay teacher. Thank you for listening my presentation.